Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'll be going through my Boxycharm for the month of January. So if you're interested in knowing what I got in my Boxycharm, just keep on watching. So the company I ship with before I begin this video is It's Shipped. I will leave their Instagram handle on the screen somewhere. I find that they're cheaper than Ship Me In, and they deliver to you in Portmore and Kingston. So if you're interested in trying them, you can go ahead. So for those who don't know what Boxycharm is, I will leave my first video on the experience and some information right here in the iCard section, so you can watch that video after you watch this one, so you can have an idea what Boxycharm is all about. So let's just jump right into it. The theme for this month, January, is Boxy and Chill, and usually you get a little pamphlet with the theme as well as the products you get and the cost. So I paid $21 US for this box. This is not the luxe box, it's just a regular box, and usually the products come up to over $100. So I'm just going to add it up right on the screen so we can find out how much this box is worth. So it comes packaged really nicely, yeah. And the first thing I'm seeing is the Briogeo Roscario Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I think I got one of these already, and I gave it to my best friend because she's all into like hair stuff. So Debbie, this is yours. And she said she liked the first one, so I hope she likes this one. This is a leave-in conditioner, yeah. So, and the cost for this is $12. The next thing I'm seeing in the box is a brow pencil. This is by $1 Billion Brows. So it has a spoolie. Oh, Jesus. So it has a spoolie at one end and the brow product the next end, and it's retractable. It's not as dark as I would want it for my brows, but I will still try it. If it doesn't work for me, I'll put it in my kit. And the cost for this is $18. This is a really pretty palette for bridal makeup. The cost for this Tarte, it says limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. The cost for this is $36. And as I said, great for bridal, so I'm putting this in my kit. The final product in my Boxycharm, we get 5. As I said, watch the video in my iCards. You can click it and it will fall down. You can click it and it will open. So we get 5 products in the Boxycharm. The next product, I got 2 of this, is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I can't wait to use this. I mean, Tatcha and skincare products, whoo, they go hand in hand. So I'm not even worried about this one. This is for $24. The mask is for $24, and it's the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. So I'm looking forward to using these 2. Right. So the total is $110. Like if I was to go to Sephora and purchase these items, I'd have to spend $110 plus tax, and I got it for $21. So guys, the Boxycharm is definitely worth it. I really love my January box. If you're interested in subscribing to your own Boxycharm, I will leave the link down in the description box below, so you can just click the link and it will take you to boxycharm.com. And usually with the Boxycharm we get a like a discount to like re-up on products. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video, which is Wednesday, so look out for that. Bye guys.